Guys, welcome back to Technical Logic by Bhagyata. So today in this video I will tell you that how to change the keyboard sound as I told you in the previous video. For the same I will do so as I told you that you have to download a LED keyboard in previous video. You have already downloaded it, I hope so. So you have to open this app only. From that app only we will work today, and this type of surface it will show. So is it showing like this? Yeah, it takes some time and some ads and these kind of things came, just ignore them. So as you can see, there's plus option here, orange color plus option. I will just tell you which plus option. This, you have to just click on this plus option below, and there are 14 types of keyboard present here. Each keyboard is having their designs. So I have suppose I have to choose keyboard number 10. I've chosen color. I will set according to myself, whatever color, suppose yellow. Effect, this shows the effect speed, how effect should work fast, and direction should be normal only. And key press should be stroke or it should be filled. It is according to you what you want to set. Background is pink, yellow, whatever color you want to set. Or image, you can just upload it from your gallery. And font, which type of font you want to use in your keyboard. And the main thing comes sounds at the last. So साउंड वॉल्यूम इज फॉलोइंग बाय द सिस्टम. जैसा आप सिस्टम के हिसाब से आप करेंगे वही होगा. ओके, सो there are many types of sound present here. You can put according to your choice. Look, I am putting this type of sound. Then you have to click on save here. As you can see, option here, save. I will just click on this option, save, and enter my keyboard name. Suppose I want to put my keyboard name, and it is showing me the sound also, and I will click on just save.
It's hard to breathe, but
that's right here. Just ignore it. Then I will open my WhatsApp or any other thing to type. I will just show you how to type it. Suppose I am typing here. So you will be, as you can view my keyboard, it is looking awesome. So if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel.